This will be a video demonstrating, again, 2D refractive error. Just on gross inspection, you should notice that the widths of the blurs are almost identical in width, and actually they're fairly similar in darkness as well, although that's not always the case with 2D refractive error. Initially, just like in any other reading, you're going to define that you have farsightedness by noticing that the image stays fairly out of focus if you move closer or further. And now at your standard reading distance, you're going to want to move the phone slightly 10 to 15 degrees in one direction to see if it's widening in one direction or narrowing. And it appears to be widening in either direction, which is not unusual for 2D refractive error. And so since the vertical line is not narrowing, you have to switch your strategy now to try and find or align the phone along your astigmatism axis line, which is the widest spot that the line will appear. So we're now rotating the phone in either direction. Really, it doesn't matter for without astigmatism. We're rotating, and we're going to continue rotating as long as the phone appears to widen slightly with each rotational movement. And at some point, it'll appear to narrow, like right there. We'll move back to where it widens and move the other direction where it narrows. So this appears to be the widest spot where it narrows in either direction. And again, with the 2D refractive error, just as in the T thermometers, you expect that to be just about at the 45 to 135 degree axis. This can be confirmed by just rotating up to your astigmatism target, placing the straight edge of the ruler exactly vertical to you, and then looking on the phone screen where it's actually at 143. So it's very consistent with the phone, with your refractive error being just 2D. That, and again noting that there's no one line that appears darker than the rest of the lines. That would be the case sometimes with any astigmatism axis target viewing, any astigmatism on the line. All the white spaces appear equal.